Hello YouTube! I'm super excited today because a very special package just arrived from Japan. Maybe I should cover up the address. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to cover up the barcode. Is that like too much? By any chance, does anyone know those guys who make music with barcodes? Just me? Okay, moving on. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I made any Lolita fashion related content, but it's always been a goal of mine to highlight maybe lesser known brands or alternative indie brands that maybe not everybody knows about, and they definitely should know about. The absolutely amazing Shironuri artist Minori has been an absolute inspiration of mine since, gosh, I think back when I saw her in a Fruits magazine when that was still a thing. She recently announced that she would be selling accessories on Fakestar. I bought an accessory from her before, I think at the Butler Cafe event in San Francisco. I think that was in 2019, and it's gorgeous. I will show some close-ups here. So when she announced that she would be selling online through Fakestar, I immediately jumped on that pre-order. It was definitely not like AP level bloodbath crazy, but things did sell out before I finished my order. I was kind of stupid and waffled on a couple of items. I thought because it was a pre-order that I could just take my sweet time, but things definitely sold out that I wanted before I should have checked out. So honestly, I kind of don't remember exactly what I got, but I'm pretty sure it was a couple of necklaces. We shall see. So honestly, this unboxing is going to be just as exciting for me as it is you. Does anyone else just kind of forget what they order sometimes? I know that's really bad, but it's kind of nice too. It's like you get yourself a little gift and you get to be surprised by it. Okay. Ooh. Oh snap. There's the art. I love Minori's art. I have many posters of her like flower girls. I'm gonna hang them up on my wall soon. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh yeah, see, I have this already, but I'm not mad because it's so pretty. If I get duplicates of art that I like, I usually give them out as like gifts, or if someone buys a dress from me and I really like them, or they're my friend, I usually like slip some art into their orders. Am I the only one who likes it when people do that? I do not have this one, I don't think. And, oh my gosh, it's signed. Oh, so cute. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so this is totally the set that I have, but I'm not mad about it because I could give it away. Oh my gosh. And they're also like totally postcard worthy. On the back you can write little postcards. So cute. Honestly, it's worth it just to buy her art, but it's so sweet that she sent it for free. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. ordered a necklace that's pretty similar to the one that I bought in San Francisco, but it's in the white colorway. And I'll do like proper close-ups later, but isn't that beautiful? I also just love the sound. Tinkle, tinkle. Isn't that stunning? Her work is just magical. I mean, the detail and the craftsmanship is always just, she's so good with textures and layering and color balance. She's just an amazing artist. It shows in all of her work. Gosh, now I'm remembering. It's even more gorgeous in person. Oh my god. It's got a black heart necklace. I'm kind of just speechless. It's stunning. I love how it has like the filigree background. I think I'm gonna quickly change outfits so that you can better get a feel for the white necklace. See you in a sec. Isn't it just beautiful? It's a very good length. The chain has a pretty, the necklace itself has a pretty long chain extension, so you can choose to wear it higher or lower, depending on your preference. And I think that's pretty much everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think of the necklaces in the comments. I'm not sure exactly how much is still available on Fakestar, but I've been noticing that she's been updating the shop with new items pretty much every week. So definitely follow her on Instagram. That's how I keep track of her updates. And let me know if you're gonna buy anything, because honestly, her accessories are amazing. I am so bummed that I missed out on this black bonnet thing that she had. It was like half bonnet, half veil, but like the veil went all the way to your knees. It was stunning. If she restocks that item, I'm definitely gonna jump on that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish everyone a happy holidays.